You ever just dance and just get tired? Same. Yo, what's up everybody, it's your boy JRE, and right now we're about to check out I-DLE. Nude! Hey, yo, what we doing? Nude? Nxde. Title with nude, I don't know what to expect except nudity. Wow. Get your head out of the gutter. Anyways, we're about to check this out. Enough talk. I'm gonna be on Twitch later today, playing some games. Join me, link in the description. And yeah, I-DLE nude. Let's begin. Play my intro. Alright, let me put on my headphones. Bro, I really do be acting a fool. I do apologize. Without further ado, I-DLE nude official music video. Let's begin. Captions on. Wow! Why do you think that about nude? Wait, hold up. First of all, who? Mommy? 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 Yitties! Them thighs! Damn. Yes, I am nude. Okay, well, this has to be a bit more inner meaning. I mean, don't be rude. Yes, I am nude. Wild, wicked, wonderful show. Welcome to the glamorous and sensual news show. All her loves, ladies, and lusty legends. Damn. Alright, let's get into this, shall we? But mommy, alright, who this?
Why you think about nude? Cause you feel so rude. Think outside the box, then you like it. Hello, my name is Yappy Yappy Yo. 말투 멍청한데 몸매 sexy sexy yo. 그럼 다이아봐 can't 열어 날 내가
Ooh, they are freaking slaying already. Jesus, the outfits, the makeup, that. This reminds me of something. You know those chips that you could put on your finger and you go. You know those things that like I think they're corn chips? Or is that what it is? Oh, who's this cartoon? Ooh, the glamour, the lights, the makeup. Yes, I'm not Marilyn. At Monroe. Oh, it's like a burlesque show, right? Ooh. Lot. Ooh, okay. You in your nude bag, yeah. Amazing. Ooh, okay. Okay, interesting. Ooh, what? You said excuse me, Imnida? What? Excusez-moi. Oh, what an iconic shot though. Oh, she looks so good in that dress too. I mean, she always looked good. Oh, they bidding? Goddess. Oh my god, goddess. I don't know about you, bro. I don't know about you either, but listen. Something about that cartoon got me a type of way. Let me it reminds me of Roger Rabbit. Like the girl, you know that you know what I'm talking about? Anyways, when I watched that when I was younger, I was like, ooh, what is this, mommy? Hey, yo. Ooh, nice camera action. Ooh, the outfits are... The women all in black, the outfits right there, them all together is so fire. Stunning. Beautiful. Girl, you better slay. You slaying, girl. Yeah. Damn. Rude.
Note.
They do rhyme. This video is inspired by Marilyn and Banksy. Thank you and I love you. Okay. Well, damn. There was a lot. That was a lot to take in. What do we?
Sexy, sexy.
Jewelry, makeup, everything, hair. Beautiful. They look gorgeous per usual. Ooh. Anyways, yo, what do you guys think about G-Idle? What do you think about Nude? Put in the comments down below. I go live on Twitch later today. Link in the description. And see you guys there. See you guys next time. Peace. To the next video. Go subscribe to JREAMERS. Link in the description. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
I'm sipping on soju. Hey, do I know you? He got an Nxde, that joint is old school.